Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to redeem your rewards on OnePay using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the OnePay app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, look at the bottom menu and tap on Reward or My Reward. This is where you will see all the reward you have earned from transactions, promotions or special offers. Scroll through your reward list to find the reward you want to redeem. Tap on it to see the details like how much it worth and any conditions for use. Once you are ready, tap redeem or use reward. Some rewards might ask you to confirm your choice or enter a promo code during checkout. Follow the instruction on the screen carefully. After redeeming, the reward will enter either be applied directly to your OnePay balance used for a purchase or sent to connected account depending on the type of reward. Some reward may have an expiry date, so make sure to redeem them before they expire. You can check their expiry date in the reward details. And that's it. That's how you redeem your reward on OnePay using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.